Hello everyone. So this question is from Laurent series GATE 2025 and the function is given here. Fz is equal to 1 by z square z minus 2 whole cube, and there are 2 points, singular points, z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2, and we have to find the residue. So we know that residue is B1 of Laurent series. So let us expand this Laurent series first of all about z is equal to 0. So this Fz is equal to 1 by z cube is okay, and another one I want about z. So I will take minus 2 cube common, and this will become 1 minus z by 2 and whole cube, okay, like this. So minus 2 I have taken common, so it has become z by 2, correct? Now you go for this, it will become minus 1 by 8, 1 by z cube and 1 minus z by 2 to the power minus 3. Alright. So now I want coefficient of 1 by z. About z is equal to 0, if I want B1, that will be coefficient of 1 by z. So just write minus 1 by 8, 1 by z cube, and this will become 1 plus 3z by 2. So I want z square here. So 1 plus nx and plus n. So you know this binomial expansion, 1 plus x to the power n is 1 plus nx plus nn plus 1 by 2 x square, like that, nn minus 1 by 2 x square by 2. So the next term will become n, which is minus 3, and n minus 1, which is minus 4, and by 2, that will become by 2, and x square will become z square by 4 and dash dash dash, correct? So I want this coefficient. So this coefficient is 4, 3, 12 by 8 into minus 1 by 8, correct? So 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So it will be minus 3 by 16, right? So the B1 of Laurent series is minus 3 by 16, so which is this. So these options are incorrect. And if you calculate for z is equal to 2, you will get this 3 by 16, okay? So no need to calculate because only that option is giving minus 3 by 16, okay? Thank you so much.